What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do your boy a quick favor, hit that like button, press that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in real time as the videos are being released. One of the things we're going to talk about today is perseverance, patience, and fundamentals. But before we get into those particular topics of the day, like we always do, let's go ahead and take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is holding strong, continuing to trade sideways like it have been over the past 3 or 4 weeks. $96,360 for one Bitcoin today. Fear and Greed Index is at 59.98, almost back to the 60% level. Bitcoin dominance, 59.9%. The Fear and Greed Index is at 40. So that's a decent level. Ethereum is the one coin that's holding strong, which gives us a little bit of hope. HOPE is what Ethereum is giving us right now. That's what we're holding on to. $2,813 for one Ethereum. The Ethereum dominance is starting to climb, 10.64%. Could this be the moment that Ethereum start to break out? Could this be the moment that Ethereum go ahead and place all the other altcoins on its shoulder and run it up? We will continue to watch the various indicators, and we will continue to watch Ethereum as it prepare and hopefully breaks out of the shell that it has been in for such a long time. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the things we should be paying attention to at this particular point in Q1 2025. We understand that 2025, the year after the Bitcoin halving, is where we are to see explosions. We have yet really to see an altcoin explosion as of yet. We are sitting on the heels of our seats, waiting patiently, but understanding that the 4-year cycles is getting tested right now. A lot of folks are questioning the 4-year cycles. A lot of folks are questioning Bitcoin. Questioning, it have Bitcoin topped out? Is it being manipulated by the largest institutions that have came into the cryptocurrency space? Are altcoins a thing of the past? Is this entire thing over? You know, what should I be doing? But I'm here to tell you that the 4-year cycles have never been broken. A lot of the things that we're seeing and experiencing right now, we saw this the last cycle. Some of you guys may have been around the last cycle. If you were, you do remember some of the things that we went through. You might not remember it so vividly because it was such a long period of time ago. But nevertheless, the same things that are happening right now, we went through this exact same thing the last cycle. That's why I'm just patiently waiting for the breakout. Last cycle, we didn't understand. We were newbies, so it was shocking us. We were surprised, uncertain, just like a lot of folks who are newbies this particular cycle. There's a lot of uncertainty going on right now, especially when you're listening to the news, you listen to reading the comments, a lot of the doom and gloom that is going on. That would be enough to make you panic and be like, you know what, I'm done with this cryptocurrency stuff. I've tried it, it's just not for me. I'm talking to folks, they say, Coach, I'm nervous, I don't know what's going on. So I have a little pep talk with them. Coach, I'm losing my mind. I get it. You know, I've been talking about how this is such a volatile mental space. You know, we have a lot invested in this cryptocurrency market. So to play mental gymnastics as you continue to open up your portfolio, one day it's up, 2 days later it's down, the next day it's up, the next day it's down. That's called mental gymnastics if you're not able to really understand what you're looking at. You're seeing your profits on paper going up, seeing the profits come down, a yo-yo type effect. So you really have to understand how to capture all of those emotions and really kind of be patient with the process that is happening. Understanding is very important. Understanding what's going on. Once you kind of understand things, then that will give you a little bit of peace and relaxation because you'll have a different comprehension as far as why, so forth and so on. Last cycle, we saw the NFTs. The NFTs was one of the big things, and I was connected with cryptocurrency. A lot of folks were buying the NFTs and lost a lot of money there. A lot of the cryptocurrency exchanges got hacked. We lost a lot of money there. Did the altcoin season continue on? Yes, it did. Was there a lot of doubts in our mind? You doggone right, there was a lot of doubts. Shoot, I just got a check from Voyager cryptocurrency exchange about 8 months ago. All my money was locked up in that cryptocurrency exchange. But that's why I was diverse. I had several different platforms. I had cold storage wallets, so I was protected. I had my money been all tied up in that one cryptocurrency exchange, I would have been through. I would have been A1 wrecked. So very important to have your money spread out. Very important to be diverse in the various coins that you're in. There's cryptocurrency. A lot of folks may make it seem like it's easy. It's not easy. If it was easy, you already know everybody would be rich. Everybody would be doing it. But it is not a easy thing to invest in. It's not an easy market to try to understand. It's brand new. Only been around for 14, 15 years, something like that. So, we still got a lot to learn. We still got a lot to grasp as far as what's going on, what to expect. But one thing we kind of think we do know is the 4-year cycles. The 4-year cycles have never been broken. Until the 4-year cycles get broke, we're going to stick to the script. We're going to continue to trust the fundamentals that have been going on every 4 years. So a lot of times you have to kind of zoom out. And when you zoom out, you look at the various cycles, because we looking at the 30-day chart, the 60-day chart, that will freak you out, that will scare you. But when you zoom out and you see the various cycles and you see what always happened during the 4-year cycles, that right there should give you a little bit of comfort. Even though we seem like we're on shaky grounds right now, last cycle went through the same stuff. The cycle before that, they went through the same stuff. So we are just the beneficiaries of this cycle that is having to go through some of the ups and downs and so forth and so on. So, but you have to ask yourself, why are you in cryptocurrency? Are you in cryptocurrency so you can maybe buy you a new house? You invested in trying to pay off some debt. You want to quit your job. What is your why? You really got to look at what your why is and why you're here and how far it is that you want to go. Some folks tapped out a few months ago. They said they couldn't take it. Some folks tapped out last year. They couldn't take it. Some folks probably tapped out last week and said, you know what? Enough is enough. So it's all about your personal situation. We're all the CEO of our own portfolio. Some folks may have had enough. They can't mentally take the continuation of the ups and downs. But I know, as far as me, I know what my why is, and I understand the 4-year cycle. So I'm willing to rock, I'm willing to roll, and willing to push it and continue to stick to the fundamentals and, get to that destination. We're still early. We're only at February 2025. The parabolic trends are supposed to happen in 2025. They never said January 2025. Didn't say February 2025. 2025. Now, if we go the whole year 2025 and we don't see an altcoin season, then the 4-year cycle will have been broken. But until then, we're going to stick to the script. Our portfolio's beat down a little bit, but all it's going to take, like I mentioned, is that 3 to 6 month window of altcoin season appearing, and your life will be changed in the snap of a finger. You can go from $100,000 to $1 million. You can go from $30,000 to 150. I mean, the multipliers that are made in altcoin season is mind-boggling. That's why most of us are in cryptocurrency, because we have seen the stories, heard the stories. A lot of us have experienced it during the last cycle. We just didn't take profit. So that's why we also got to understand, we're not married to cryptocurrency. You don't have to be married to Ethereum, Bitcoin, any of that. Like I say, what is your why? Some folks are in here so they can get a new house. Some folks are just in here so they can get to another tax level, maybe become a millionaire. They want to be a new cryptocurrency millionaire or whatever it is. So once you really understand what your why is And if you find yourself, and if you get to the level to where you are making life-changing gains when the parabolic altcoin season comes, you have to take profits. Profits have to be realized. If you don't take profits, then like they say, it's just paper gains, just like when you lose. You're only taking a loss on paper. So when you see these life-changing gains, when you're making exponential profits, you have to take some money off the top and set it to the side, because none of us know when the top and where the top is going to be. But once we do start seeing that potential pump, then we got to start shaving. Leave some money in there just in case it continue to run up. But we will be taking profits, maybe exiting it in stages, so forth and so on. So, but like I mentioned, the 4-year cycle have never been broken. That's what we're standing on right now. That's giving us confidence. That's giving us a lot of peace as far as when we open up our portfolio. No big deal. I know my portfolio beat down. I'm not going to stress over it, but I do understand the 4-year cycle, altcoin season, and all that good stuff. So, like I say, a few days ago, was it yesterday? I opened up my portfolio and started the dollar cost average in. you know, did it feel good? No, it didn't feel good. But I kind of understand this is what I need to do. Buy these things while they're low. Now, we also will be expecting when the altcoin season comes, we're going to see a lot of retail investors come in. The public greed is going to be at an all-time high. There's going to be a lot of illusions. Folks are going to be making Bitcoin and cryptocurrency out to be something that it's not. Folks are going to be running into it at the top. They're going to be buying the top because nobody wants to buy right now when there's a lot of fear. That's why I stress the importance. You buy at the bottom. You buy the red. There's going to be a lot of new retail investors coming in when Bitcoin is $120,000, $130,000. They're going to be buying the top for these altcoins. They may even be buying the top of altcoin season. So you never want to chase these hype coins. There's a lot of hype coins out there. At the click of a button, anybody can create a cryptocurrency coin right now. Somebody called me this morning and said, "Coach, I created a coin." I said, wow, this is out of control. That's why we need these rules and regulations. That's why we need Mr. David Sachs, the crypto czar, to really come in and stamp that statement, lay these regulations down so they can say, if your cryptocurrency don't have this, if your cryptocurrency don't have that, it cannot be considered a cryptocurrency. It's too many of these doggone cryptocurrency exchanges allowing these scam coins to be listed on the exchange because they are making money. These regulations will cut out a lot of that BS. So I can't wait until these regulations get laid out. It's just too much. Everybody creating cryptocurrency coins is just oversaturated, out of control. But like I say, what we do know, we're going to stick with the coins that we know. We're going to stick with the cryptocurrency exchanges that have been proven and the ones that we know that we're comfortable with. Not going to be risking a lot of money in chasing a lot of these hype coins, because there's always a new hype coin that's coming out on this platform. Trade 2 Solana coins, trade 1 Ethereum, 14 Binance. Hey, come on now. Keep it simple, because the simple coins are the ones that the retail investors will be buying. They're going to open up their crypto.com app. They're going to open up their Coinbase app. They're going to buy Dogecoin, XRP, all the other top 100 coins will be popular. Those are the coins that folks will be buying. So be patient. Understand that the 4-year cycle have never been broken. That right there is what we can stand on and move forward as we continue to push and finish up the 4th year of this Bitcoin 4-year cycle. Waiting for altcoin season to arrive, waiting for old man Ether to continue to wake up. He's waking up right now, scratching his eyes, stretching. So who knows what tomorrow will bring? Who knows what next week will bring? But we do know these past 3 weeks, we have stomached a lot. We have been very strong with what we had to adhere over the past 3 weeks. So hopefully these next 3 weeks, we can see the opposite. We can see Bitcoin pumping past $115,000. We can see a little bit of an altcoin explosion. we're due. We're due to see our investments going in the other direction. But like I say, all we can control is what we can control. If we see the dips, we see the red days, buy the doggone red days, buy the dips. If we see things start to pump, take profits here, take profits there. Protect yourself, protect your investment, protect your mental health. Come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great cryptocurrency community that love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, every day. Love to share information, whether it's altcoins, whether it's news articles that's being released, things that we should be paying attention to. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day, just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.